Hey everyone, Chris Lambert here again, and here we are with another unboxing video. This one comes from Amazon. All these came from Amazon, I think. Let's see what we got in this one. I think we can rip this one open like that. Two packs of felt bees, a dozen bees each, and this will be used for Eugene Ottinger's Halloween costume. This is October from the Wednesday Netflix series. I might glue those to a see-through net and throw the net over Eugene or something like that. I really don't know if I want to glue it to his costume. And put that aside. Let's open this big box right here. Such a big box, man. Let's see what's in it. Yeah. Well, we got a lot of paper. Angle this up some more. Inside we have another paper bag. What's in here? This is like one of those cloth like papers. So it says it's okay. How do we rip this open? It's got string here. Uh-oh. Don't want to damage anything inside. Well, it's white. It's got a hat. As this is professional bee suit for backyard and beekeeping, XX. So yeah, this is going to be Eugene's beekeeping suit. You'll see Eugene likes to keep bees in the Netflix series. Oh, here we have, wow, some nice gloves. You know, this was a good deal for about $20. We got some real leather gloves. These are real leather. This might be a real beekeeping suit instead of a costume. So that's really nice. Said it was. Says professional. So let's set that aside. So we got Eugene's beekeeping suit. We've got some little felt bees to go with him for props. And what else do we... I can tear this one open. Lyco fashion. Oh, a little bit bent. Let's hope they're okay. We got Eugene's nerd glasses. What else do we have in there? It looks like a bag, nice bag. So I'll leave those in there for now. So there's the Eugene costume. We got the beekeeper suit with the gloves, some bees, and some glasses. I think that just about completes Eugene Ottinger's costume for now. And we'll open her. I think we can tear this one open. There we go. Oh, it's Thing. We have another Thing prop. Everybody who is in the costume contest gets a Thing. There you go. Keep that in the bag too. Well, let's take one of these out and look at it. good. Not bad. Some of these were on sale for $10, but you gotta pay an extra $10 to ship it from China. These all come from China now, unless you get a 3D printed version. But these are latex, which is what I wanted, the flexible one. Now for about $76, you can get one of these off Etsy that has a wire inside, so you can bend it and make him do different things like he does in the movie. Let's set Thing down. He doesn't want to. This thing doesn't want to stand up. Okay. It's okay. We need one to go on Wednesday's shoulder. And the last thing I got. I don't know what color shoes Enid wears when she turns into a werewolf, and she already had some shoe toppers that were werewolf feet, werewolf hands, and she had a werewolf mask. And I got her the rest of the clothes she wore when she finally wolfed out. I thought I'd pick up some cheap, $20, I think they were. These are pretty cheap, off-brand, tennis shoes in bright pink. There were some nicer ones, since she's going to have shoe covers that are werewolf feet anyway in this Halloween costume. I figured these would do if she wants to wear them. So that's it. We got the Enid Sinclair shoes. I don't even know if she wears these in the movie. We got a Thing prop that doesn't want to stand up. Oh, there it goes. We just had to bend his. I got to bend his finger back. It's on a different surface there. Okay. We got the Eugene Ottinger complete head to toe beekeeper costume, along with gloves, real leather gloves, his nerd glasses, and bees. Thanks for watching. Check out my next unboxing video coming soon. Don't forget, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get up to 10,000 subscribers. Be nice if I could do it soon. So like, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to get notifications, and thanks for watching. Chris Lambert out.